So the Salvation Army aims high for its annual appeal.
Chico.
A brand new 4-bedroom house goes under the hammer. All built and sold for charity.
Chico.
These everyday leftovers will be transformed into lavish meals.
Poogers, if only I can eat that bird. If only I can shut that bird up.
Everyday savers means your favorite products at low prices staying low.
So cute.
Everyday saver, 1 kilo bags of Australian brown onions. Now just $1 a bag every day. Another way we give you more savings.
Oh, Chico, don't be... Just peck Pooh on the leg. Hey, rabbit. Little rabbit. Little rabbit, go. Put that tongue away, Pooh. It's not dinner. Oh dear. Very cheeky. Little cheeky bird, this thing.
We've got trusted brands at the lowest prices. Why would you go anywhere else? Makita Circular Saw. Only
So that only proves to you that this is not a menacing dog. It's not a menacing dog.